Alright, we're looking at question 23 in the JAMB 2014 math exam, and we're being told that there's a matrix, and we're being told that the determinant of a matrix X, and we're being told that the determinant of a matrix that has minus X and 12 in the first row, and minus 1 and 4 in the second row is equal to 12. And we're supposed to find X. In order to find the determinant of a matrix, all you have to do is cross multiply the values. And by cross multiply, I mean you're going to multiply the values in this diagonal, and then you're going to add those values together, and then you are now going to multiply the values in this diagonal, and then you're going to subtract those from the first set. And the result you get is equal to 12. So let's go ahead and do that. For the green line, we have minus x times 4. And then for the orange line, we have minus 1 times 12. And all we have to do now is subtract these two values from each other and say they're equal to 12. At this point, we're looking at an arithmetic question. So let's go ahead and solve it. What we have is minus x. What we have here is minus 4x minus 12, which you can write as plus 12, is equal to 12. God damn it. All right, we're looking at question 23 of the JAM 2014 math exam. And we are told that the determinant of a matrix that has minus x and 12 in the first row and minus 1 and 4 in the second row is equal to minus 12. And based on that, we're asked to find x. So in order to solve a problem like this, we have to cross multiply the values in the determinant. We have to cross multiply the values in the matrix in order to calculate the determinant. And what I mean by that is we're going to take all the items in this diagonal that I'm marking with green. We're going to multiply them to each other and subtract the resulting value from the sum of the multiples of the values in this diagonal. So let me explain what I mean in detail. As you can see here, all the items in green are, as you can see in the green, I have minus x times 4. And now I'm subtracting that whole quantity by the items in the orange, which is minus 1 times minus 12. And then I'm setting the result equal to 12. And then I'm setting the result equal to minus 12. So let's continue on. To simplify this, we're going to have minus 4x plus 12 is equal to minus 12. And at this point, all we have to do is add. So at this point, all we have to do is subtract 12 from both sides. And that's going to give us minus 4x is equal to minus 24. And based on that, we can divide both sides by minus 4. And that's going to produce x is equal to 6.